Character sketch. Ürikon is the author of the Red-Blue War series. He is a tall, good-looking man with brown eyes, black hair, and white skin. He has specific tastes like bowling shirts, colognes, and Mexican food. He loves to travel and live abroad, having learned to speak Spanish, Portuguese, and Cebuano. He was born in 1970 in Boise, Idaho, and now resides in Seattle, Washington State, USA. He graduated from Eastern Washington University with a BA in International Affairs in 1994 and MA in Latin American Studies at Vanderbilt University in 2002. From 2004 to the present, he has worked for the U.S. government. In 2021, he married his longtime Filipina fiancée. Ürikon writes dark dystopian novels that do not reflect his personality. He is devout, family-oriented, and personable. He attends church, visits his elderly parents, and frequently calls his children from his first marriage. He is always eager to assist friends and strangers. Ürikon is an accomplished person.